Hey there, fellow diabetics. Welcome back to our channel, The Diabetic Way. Today we have an absolutely delicious topic to discuss, healthy sweets for diabetics. But before we dive into the mouth-watering recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to learn how to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your blood sugar levels. Let's get started. Have you ever found yourself craving something sweet, but you're worried about the impact on your diabetes management? Well, fear not. We've got some fantastic recipes that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also keep your blood sugar in check. So let's explore some healthy and delicious alternatives to traditional sweets. Recipe 1. Sugar-free fruit popsicles. Our first recipe is sugar-free fruit popsicles. These frozen treats are incredibly refreshing and super easy to make. All you need is your favorite fruits, such as berries, mangoes, or watermelon, some sugar substitute, and popsicle molds. Simply blend the fruits together, add a touch of sweetness with a sugar substitute, pour the mixture into the molds, and freeze them. These popsicles are low in carbs, packed with vitamins, and perfect for those hot summer days. Recipe 2. Dark chocolate-covered strawberries. Who doesn't love chocolate-covered strawberries? Our second recipe puts a diabetic-friendly twist on this classic dessert. Instead of using milk chocolate, we'll be using dark chocolate with a high cocoa percentage. Dark chocolate contains less sugar and is rich in antioxidants. Melt the dark chocolate, dip fresh strawberries into it, and let them cool on a parchment-lined tray. You'll have a guilt-free and decadent treat that satisfies your sweet cravings without sending your blood sugar soaring. Recipe 3. Homemade yogurt parfait. Our next recipe is a delightful homemade yogurt parfait. This dessert is not only delicious, but also packed with protein and probiotics. Start by layering plain Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of chopped nuts in a glass or jar. You can also add a drizzle of sugar-free syrup for an extra touch of sweetness. Repeat the layers, and there you have it. A colorful and nutritious dessert that will keep you feeling satisfied and your blood sugar levels stable. Recipe 4. Baked apples with cinnamon. Get ready for some cozy flavors with our fourth recipe, baked apples with cinnamon. This warm and comforting dessert is incredibly simple to make. Core an apple, sprinkle it with cinnamon, and bake it until it becomes tender and slightly caramelized. The natural sweetness of the apple combined with the warm spice of cinnamon creates a heavenly treat that will make your taste buds dance. Recipe 5. Avocado chocolate mousse. Last but not least, we have a luscious and creamy avocado chocolate mousse. Avocados are not only a healthy source of fats, but also the perfect base for a diabetic-friendly dessert. Blend ripe avocados, cocoa powder, a sugar substitute, and a splash of almond milk until smooth and velvety. Refrigerate the mousse for a couple of hours, and you'll have a rich, chocolatey dessert that's low in sugar and high in indulgence. And there you have it. 5 mouth-watering and diabetic-friendly sweet treats that won't wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. Remember, moderation is key, and it's important to adjust these recipes to fit your individual dietary needs. Always consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. If you enjoyed this video and found these recipes helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We have plenty more diabetes-friendly recipes, tips, and discussions coming your way. Also, feel free to share your favorite diabetic-friendly sweet treats in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay sweet and stay healthy.